Each of us, at some point in our lives, has felt that throbbing pain that grips the heart, that abyssal void left by a loved one. Heartbreak is a universal ordeal, an invisible but profound wound that transcends cultures and eras. Yet, within this very suffering lies a precious opportunity to be reborn, to rebuild oneself, and to rediscover the wonders that life has to offer. Today, I invite you to embark together on an introspective journey through 5 powerful steps to heal and move forward. These steps are not mere advice, but solid pillars upon which you can rely to transform your pain into a new and unshakable strength. 1. Embracing and acknowledging the pain. The initial and crucial step toward healing after a romantic breakup is to fully embrace and acknowledge the pain you're experiencing. It's natural to want to escape or ignore these intense emotions, believing that doing so might lessen the suffering. However, suppressing or denying these feelings often prolongs and intensifies distress. Following a separation, it's common to undergo a series of emotional stages similar to those of grief. Psychiatrist Elizabeth Kubler-Ross identified 5 stages of grief: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Recognizing that these phases are normal can help you better understand your experience and validate your emotions. It's essential to let your emotions express themselves freely. Attempting to suppress or ignore them can lead to long-term emotional complications, such as anxiety or depression. Embracing your feelings means accepting them without judgment, acknowledging that they are an integral part of the healing process. By embracing and acknowledging your pain, you initiate the healing process. This acceptance allows you to process your emotions healthily, reducing the risk of future emotional complications. Moreover, it lays the foundation for subsequent stages of personal reconstruction, helping you regain emotional balance and rediscover your inner strengths. Remember, it's normal to suffer after a breakup. Embracing this pain with self-compassion is the first step toward rebuilding and discovering a new inner strength. 2. Expressing your emotions. After acknowledging and accepting your emotions, it's essential to express them to facilitate the healing process. Keeping your feelings bottled up can lead to an accumulation of emotional tension, making the suffering more challenging to overcome. By externalizing your emotions, you give them a voice and free yourself from their grip, thus easing your path toward recovery. Expressing your emotions allows you to reduce emotional burden. Sharing your feelings diminishes the intensity of the pain experienced. Enhance self-understanding. Articulating your emotions helps clarify your thoughts and better comprehend your reactions. Prevent emotional complications. Regularly expressing your feelings can prevent issues such as anxiety or depression. How can you express your emotions? Talk to a trusted confidant. Discussing your feelings with a trusted friend or family member can provide valuable support and a different perspective. Keep a journal. Writing down your thoughts and emotions daily allows you to release your feelings and track your emotional progress. Engage in artistic activities. Painting, drawing, music, or any other form of art can serve as outlets to express emotions that are difficult to verbalize. Join support groups. Participating in a group of individuals experiencing similar situations can offer a safe space to share and learn from others. Tips for effective emotional expression. Be honest with yourself. Don't downplay your feelings. Acknowledge them as they are, without judgment. Avoid isolation. While it may be tempting to withdraw, staying connected with others is crucial for emotional support. Give yourself time. Healing is a process that takes time. Be patient with yourself and allow yourself to feel and express your emotions at your own pace. By expressing your emotions, you take active steps to free yourself from pain and move toward healing. This approach is essential for transforming suffering into newfound strength, enabling you to rebuild your life on more solid and resilient foundations. 3. Regaining control of your life. After a breakup, it's common to feel destabilized, as if the ground has slipped from beneath your feet. This sensation of losing control can be overwhelming. However, it's essential to remember that, while we cannot change the past, we have the power to shape our future. The end of a relationship may have encroached upon activities or passions you once cherished. Now is the perfect time to reconnect with these interests that brought you joy and satisfaction. Whether it's painting, dancing, reading, or any other activity, reintroducing these pleasures into your daily life can reignite your enthusiasm and strengthen your sense of control. Establishing goals, even modest ones, provides direction and purpose. This could be as simple as resuming regular physical activity, learning a new skill, or planning a trip. Each goal achieved, no matter how small, boosts your self-confidence and reminds you that you are the master of your destiny. Physical and mental well-being are interconnected. Caring for your body through balanced nutrition, exercise, and relaxation contributes to improved mood and energy. Practices such as meditation, yoga, or mindfulness can also help refocus your thoughts and reduce stress. After a breakup, daily life can feel chaotic. Creating a structured routine brings a sense of normalcy and control. This includes regular meal times, sleep schedules, and activities. A well-established routine offers a secure and predictable framework, essential for personal reconstruction. While regaining control of your life involves personal actions, it's also important to surround yourself with caring individuals. Sharing your experiences with friends, family members, or professionals can provide new perspectives and valuable emotional support. By integrating these practices into your daily life, you initiate the process of reconstruction and reclaiming your life. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to the person you aspire to be, stronger, more resilient, and more fulfilled. 4. Rediscovering and caring for yourself. After a breakup, it's essential to take the time to reconnect with yourself. This period offers an opportunity to explore your passions, identify what brings you joy, and engage in activities that nourish your well-being. By focusing on self-care, you strengthen your self-esteem and lay the foundation for healthy future relationships. Revisit hobbies or interests you may have set aside during your relationship, whether it's painting, playing a musical instrument, gardening, or any other activity that brings you happiness. Dedicating time to these pursuits can be therapeutic and fulfilling. Engaging in activities you love helps you reconnect with your authentic self and boosts your mood. Prioritize your physical and mental health by adopting self-care routines. This includes maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, getting adequate sleep, and practicing relaxation techniques such as meditation or yoga. Taking care of your body and mind enhances your resilience and overall well-being. Establishing new personal goals provides direction and purpose. These goals can be related to personal development, career advancement, or learning new skills. Achieving these objectives, no matter how small, fosters a sense of accomplishment and reinforces your self-worth. Surround yourself with positive influences. This may involve spending time with supportive friends and family, joining groups or communities that share your interests, or seeking professional support if needed. A strong support system provides encouragement and helps you navigate the healing process. Use this time to step out of your comfort zone and try new experiences. Traveling to new places, learning a new language, or taking up a new hobby can be invigorating and help you discover new facets of yourself. Embracing new experiences fosters personal growth and resilience. By dedicating time to rediscover and care for yourself, you embark on a journey of healing and self-improvement. This process not only enhances your self-esteem, but also prepares you for healthier and more fulfilling relationships in the future. 5. Opening your heart to new possibilities. After navigating the previous stages of healing and self-reconstruction, it's time to open your heart to new opportunities. This doesn't necessarily mean seeking a new romantic relationship immediately, but rather being receptive to the experiences life has to offer. maintaining a positive attitude towards the future is essential. Every ending marks the beginning of a new chapter. By cultivating optimism, you attract opportunities and people who will enrich your life. Remember that every experience, even difficult ones, contributes to your personal growth and fulfillment. By opening your heart to new possibilities, you allow life to surprise you and offer enriching experiences. This openness is a sign of resilience and trust in the future, preparing you to embrace the wonderful things that lie ahead. Dear friends, love's sorrow is a trial, but it is also an opportunity for growth, discovery, and renewal. By embracing these steps, you can transform pain into strength, sadness into wisdom, and endings into beginnings. You deserve happiness, love, and joy. Do not let a painful experience define your future. Rise, move forward with courage, and know that the most beautiful chapters of your life are yet to be written.